In a move that marks a century of motorcycle heritage, Kawasaki Motors Japan has proudly announced the launch of the 2024 Meguro K3. This launch is particularly momentous as it coincides with the 100th anniversary of Meguro Seisaku Show, a foundational pillar in the history of Japanese sport bike development. The Meguro brand, with its deep historical roots and significance, continues to captivate motorcycle enthusiasts worldwide, ensuring the legacy of Japan's oldest motorcycle brand thrives into its centennial year. The 2024 Meguro K3 pays homage to the iconic motorcycles of the past while embracing cutting-edge technology and design. With its sleek lines, powerful engine, and advanced features, this new model sets a new standard for performance and style in the world of sport bikes. Riders can expect an exhilarating experience on the road, blending the thrill of speed with the elegance of Japanese craftsmanship. As Kawasaki Motors Japan looks towards the future, the 2024 Meguro K3 stands as a symbol of innovation and tradition, carrying forward the legacy of Meguro Seisaku Show into the next century. Timeless design, unchanged excellence. Mirroring the base model's historic appeal, the 2024 Meguro K3 maintains its classic mirror coat black and chrome tank, reminiscent of the revered Meguro Stamina series. The distinctive tank emblem by Meguro Manufacturing and the signature Meguro branding on the side covers and gauges still adorn this model, along with silver-piped seats that enhance its retro charm with a touch of elegance. Despite its vintage aesthetics, the Meguro K3 embraces modern technology. It is equipped with an air-cooled, parallel twin-cylinder 773cc engine, delivering reliable and exhilarating performance. Advanced features like an assist and slipper clutch, LED lights, and an etc. 2.0 onboard unit enhance the riding experience, seamlessly blending tradition with innovation. Pricing and availability. Recognizing its historical importance and technological innovations, the 2024 Meguro K3 is priced around $9,520 United States dollars, slightly higher than the previous model. Scheduled for launch on Friday, September 22nd, this version provides enthusiasts and collectors with a chance to possess a part of motorcycle history. With its sleek lines and powerful engine, the 2024 Meguro K3 is sure to turn heads on the road and evoke a sense of nostalgia among fans of classic motorcycles. Don't miss your opportunity to own a piece of two-wheeled history with this exceptional machine. A legacy continues. As the Meguro series prepares to mark its 100th anniversary, the ongoing presence of the Meguro K3 model signifies more than just the endurance of a brand. It embodies 100 years of creativity, enthusiasm, and commitment to the craft of motorcycle production in Japan. The 2024 Meguro K3 is not just a bike. It is a heritage on wheels, beckoning riders to join a historic voyage that still motivates and fascinates motorcycle fans worldwide. Blending timeless design, modern technology, and a century-long heritage, the 2024 Kawasaki Meguro K3 pays homage to Meguro Seisaku Show's enduring legacy and Japanese motorcycle craftsmanship spirit.